Welcome to Future Cars Updates. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome, a vehicle designed to bring adventure, comfort, and practicality together in one sleek package. If you're looking for the ultimate blend of mobility and homeliness for your next road trip, stay tuned because this camper van might just be what you've been waiting for. Kia has taken a bold step into the camper van and motorhome market, and with the 2025 edition, they are offering a vehicle that is not only functional but also stylish and efficient. The growing demand for adventure-ready vehicles has pushed automakers to innovate, and Kia's response comes in the form of this camper van, which is packed with features to make life on the road more comfortable and convenient. Starting with the design. The exterior of the 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome strikes a balance between modern aesthetics and practicality. The van boasts a sleek, aerodynamic shape that is designed to improve fuel efficiency, which is a crucial consideration for long road trips. Kia's design team has also incorporated sharp lines and a bold front grille that give the camper van a distinctive, modern look, setting it apart from more traditional motorhomes. But the real magic happens inside. Step into the interior and you'll immediately notice how Kia has maximized space and functionality without sacrificing comfort. The 2025 model offers a spacious living area equipped with a versatile seating arrangement that can be easily converted into a sleeping space. With room to sleep up to 4 adults comfortably, this camper van is perfect for families or groups of friends looking to explore the great outdoors. The materials used inside the cabin are high quality and durable, ensuring that the van can withstand the wear and tear of long journeys. Soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and premium fabrics create a cozy environment, making it feel like a home away from home. Kia has also paid special attention to sound insulation, ensuring that road noise is kept to a minimum, providing a peaceful atmosphere inside the vehicle even when you're on the move. One of the standout features of the 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome is its fully equipped kitchenette. Whether you're stopping for a quick meal or preparing a full dinner after a long day of traveling, this van has everything you need. The kitchen area includes a compact stove, a sink with running water, a mini fridge, and ample counter space. There's even a fold-out dining table so you can enjoy your meals indoors if the weather isn't ideal for outdoor dining. Storage space is another area where this camper van excels. Kia has cleverly integrated multiple storage compartments throughout the vehicle, ensuring that there's plenty of room for your luggage, camping gear, and supplies. Overhead cabinets, under-seat storage, and hidden compartments allow you to stay organized and make the most of the available space. Moving on to technology. The 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome is equipped with the latest infotainment and connectivity features to keep you entertained and connected while on the road. The van comes with a large touchscreen display that controls the navigation, entertainment, and climate settings. It's also compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can easily sync your smartphone for music, calls, and navigation. For those long road trips, Kia has integrated advanced driver assistance features to enhance safety and convenience. The camper van includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, all of which make highway driving less stressful. There's also a 360-degree camera system, which comes in handy when parking or maneuvering in tight spaces, especially in campgrounds or off-road areas. Under the hood, the 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome is powered by a fuel-efficient hybrid engine. This setup provides the perfect balance of power and efficiency, allowing you to travel long distances without worrying about frequent fuel stops. Kia has designed the powertrain to be environmentally friendly with lower emissions compared to traditional motorhomes, making it a more sustainable choice for eco-conscious travelers. The van is also equipped with a solar panel system on the roof, allowing you to power essential electronics and appliances when you're parked in remote areas without access to electricity. This feature adds an extra layer of convenience, giving you more freedom to explore off-the-grid locations. Kia has also thought about the little details that make a big difference when you're living out of a vehicle for extended periods. The camper van comes with a built-in awning that extends to provide shade and shelter when you're parked. This creates a perfect outdoor living space where you can set up chairs, tables, and even a grill to enjoy the outdoors while still having the comforts of your motorhome just a few steps away. In conclusion, the 2025 Kia Camper Van Motorhome is a game-changer in the world of mobile living. With its modern design, spacious and comfortable interior, advanced technology, and eco-friendly powertrain, it offers everything you need for your next adventure. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an extended road trip, this camper van is built to provide the perfect combination of freedom, comfort, and practicality.